Too late. I'm gonna show you what killer music really sounds like. Ultimate solo!
Stop it, please!
X-Ray's gonna fall!
Talk about being between a rock and a hard place.
Easy, easy, nice dragon. Enough already! We've got a stuck kitty to rescue!
Wow, the bug mastered the dragon.
So how'd you like the concert? You still think your music is the only killer music out there?
No, please don't.
Awesome solo!
Not so fast!
My dragon!
Ladybug, Cat Noir, hurry! Nice job.
You're too late. Nothing can stop Guitar Villain. Rocket riff, baby!
We only rocked the real Jagged Stone! The Akuma must be in his guitar!
How are we gonna get to that?
Let's go backstage!
Where did they go?
You're a monster!
You like to walk all over other people, but you don't like it when others trample on you. Do you, Chloe? Do you?
Oops, broke your heel. Better watch your ankles.
Well, well, look what the cat drag did.
No cat dragged me anywhere, Cat Noir. I flew in all on my own.
So what was this secret mission?
If I told you, it wouldn't be a secret.
In the comics, this is what's known as the final showdown. The thing is, if you knew her, you wouldn't be breaking a sweat to save her skin. She's the real baddie.
Oh, it's not true! Everybody adores me!
Look out!
The light! Cat Noir! He can't draw in the dark!
Got it! Cataclysm!
Here you go, kitty. A little ball and chain to play with.
Hey!
Sadly, those who get in my way get erased.
We should be expecting lightning storms, like, right now!
You just won yourself a cat fight.
Black ice!
A little Cat Noir will take the wind out of her sails.
Whoa, kitty kitty. You better think before you leap.
You got a plan?
Just follow my lead.